Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I have to share with you unboxing and first look of the White Mountain Knives exclusive Kizer Cormorant. So this is a UA design, and I was looking to get a Cormorant for a long time, but usually when I see them available they are only in some really strange G10 variants like black and white, pumpkin, red, and so on, and nowhere to be found the brown Micarta version which I collect. So when I saw the first run on White Mountain Knives, I really wanted to get one, but they were sold out immediately, so I had to wait half a year or so to be able to get one, and then I ordered it. So inside the really excellent presentation, which is magnetic closure, you have this pouch, which is first for me, because usually I'm getting the Vanguard line of knives in which the Micarta ones and G10 ones are. So basically this treatment is mostly for the higher end titanium versions, but for some reason they went with this packaging, so felt lined, beautiful pouch. And yes, when we are going above $100, then I am in for these kind of bonuses here. They complete the packaging. Not everybody is like me yet and buys hundreds of knives and have lots of pouches and boxes and so on. So this is definitely you can use for maybe even for a watch, for a pen. So another nice bonus, they will give you a full set of screws, minus the pivot screw, of course. And it will nicely close. Okay, so let's see. So the Cormorant is I mentioned the UA design, and it should be the most fidget friendly EDC currently on the market in 2022. And why I'm saying that? It is because the design was in mind with the fidget friendliness. So as you can see there, you have all possible options for opening. So you have top flipper, front flipper, thumb hole, and also since this has the button lock, you can also open it with the gravity. So the flick, it's open, close, and it is really nicely dialed in, so it will not bounce. Wow, so really nice. But let me give you the specifications. So the model number is KY4162E1. Like I mentioned, this is only available at the White Mountain Knives. I don't know if this will be available when I post the video, because it takes a little bit longer time to post from the time when I'm making it. And please keep in mind, this went from US to Slovakia, and it took around three weeks or so with the customs, so 1 week, and yeah, it really took a long time. And I will be not going into the price aspect, how much it did cost after all. But let's continue. So we have a 18.6 centimeter or 7.32 inches long over length configuration. The blade is 8.2 centimeters or 3.23 inches. The blade width is 2.6 centimeters or 1 inch. The thickness is 3 millimeters, 0.12 inches. The handle length is 10.4 centimeters or 4.1 inch, with a thickness of 1.3 centimeters or 0.5 inches. So with this run and with this exclusive, they went on the blade with 3V. So please keep in mind, this is a high carbon content steel, so it will rust and patina if you are not carefully treating the knife. So any kind of citrusy foods or things like mustard and so on is definitely a no-go if you don't want to have this kind of blackened blade. I always strongly suggest use your favorite corrosion inhibitor like EDCI or the WD-40 or any kind frog loop, whatever you have, or maybe in just your standard oil to protect the blade from corroding on you. Okay, so the configuration is this beautiful reverse Tanto or K-tip style blade. The handles are made out of, and it's hollow grind. The handles are made of natural canvas brown micarta, and this is, yes, this is the real deal, the really nice quality raw natural canvas micarta, not treated, not polished whatsoever. So it will definitely nicely patina while you're using it. I can try to show you a little bit with application of the alcohol here that I have, how it will darken up if the handles are saturated. So it will definitely take a really nice, almost orangey look. Okay, let's continue. So the liners are drilled out, they are partial, so you can see there, because of this cutout here. We have barrel types of backspacers, or standoff, sorry, and we have in these a really nice deep carry pocket clip, but unfortunately the screws on this one are not flush. So let me check on my backlighter really quickly. Yeah, here is my backlighter 2, and the backlighter 2 has flush screws, so definitely Kizer can do flush screws, but for some reason they went with normal, so rounded screws, but they are some kind of inset inside, so they definitely poke up just a little bit. So yeah, definitely this is also one way to do it. And the tightness of the pocket clip is really hard, so I don't know what's going on. Maybe the thickness, or maybe they heat treated it, I don't know. I will check it out with the pocket clip with you here. So this was definitely not used, so I try to keep whenever I can these unboxings as fresh as possible. I'm sharing here you my experiences with some aspects of the knife that I have not fondled around while I did the measurements. But definitely opening it, closing it, whatsoever is really smooth. Wow. So definitely the hype is real about this knife. I have heard a lot of good things about the Cormorant, and this is, if I'm not mistaken, the latest the version, because also the previous ones with the G10 had some iteration quality, so lifetime quality improvements, like Spyderco calls it. So what I know, what they have on the website, they largened up the button. As you can see there are also this stippling, which is file work to give it a nice traction. They added more jimping, so this is a jimping beast here, the top, everywhere. And yeah, also here, really nice centering, perfect centering. So yeah, finger flick, middle finger flick is also a really nice option how to open it with this nice cutout here. And given that this is no liner lock, so your fingers are protected every time. So yeah. So now let's see the sharpness. So this should be scary sharp because it is 3V, and if it's sharpened correctly, this should be like a laser. Yeah, I definitely feel no resistance. So yeah, this is really sharp. So be careful with this one. Okay, no. So now let's see the tightness of the pocket clip. I am really interested to see. Yes, as you can see there, I had to use a lot of pressure. Taking out, oh, that seems okay, but let's see when I'm, so maybe medium, definitely should be not a problem to have it. Depending, let's face it, depending how rigid the structure of your fabric or your jeans or maybe pants are. So keeping that in mind. But definitely I don't know what's going on, because all the previous pocket clips, like also here on the, you can see how light this is. I can lift it out with my nail without any problems. This one, I'm putting my finger there, I feel the pain right when I try to lift it up. So yeah, that is probably the only downside which I can find on this one while observing it. And you have definitely these nice cutouts here for maximization of your traction, because these are cut sharp. So it will not damage your hand or anything like that, but it will give you extra grip, which is always nice to have on a EDC style knife. You definitely have to grab it to not fly around over your hand. Okay, so now let's see a few size comparisons. So let's bring out the usual suspects. So here's the QSP Penguin. Here is the CVV Elementum. Here is his brother, the Big Lighter 2. Here is another Chinese brother, the clone Bug Out in brown canvas micarta. Yes, his other brother, the Kizer Pinch. And he's another brother, the small sheepdog with the flipper right there. Let's check out. I have here the CJRB Feldspar Mini. Let's see. Spyderco Paramilitary 2. My clone Paramilitary 3 in micarta. So this is more to the size of the knife. Okay, let's see. Here is the Ace Grand from Giant Mouse. CRKT Pilar 1, knife exclusive, Blade HQ exclusive. Spyderco Delica. Small Griptilian. 940 from Benchmade. Red Model 1. Red Model 2. Rough Rider Peanut. And let's close it down with the K-Bar Dozier Folding Hunter. So okay, so now I probably forgot to mention the weight. It is 80 grams or 2.8 ounces, and the price goes the price is $119, so that is on the White Mountain Knives webpage when they're available and when I bought it. So don't know if in the future they will be available or if they make a third run. I would speculate they will, because these are not numbered. So if they sold out, and they will probably order some more. I don't know why they wouldn't. These are really great model for them, and let's face it, have it in the right color of micarta is the best way to go. So if you're looking for something like this but a little bit cheaper, and you don't mind the Micarta, then you can check out also the S35VN version, which is the standard version that is available from different dealers and also from their AliExpress web shop. Okay, so if you have any questions, please leave comments down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can, of course. If you're a subscriber, thank you very much. A big thumbs up to you. And if you are not a subscriber, then please consider subscribing to not miss any future videos. I try to release at least 3 videos per week, mostly knife and gear oriented, but sometimes that's other stuff regarding my hobbies. So with that being said, I wish you a wonderful day and hope to see you soon. Bye.